How to invite friends in Revolut and earn money. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can invite friends in the Revolut app and earn money. For that, you first of all want to open the Revolut app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install it. Once you open the application, make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the initials at the top left corner of your screen, and from there tap on the Invite Friends option. Then you want to tap on the Invite Friends option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on that option, you can very easily invite your friends from there. Once you have invited them, they must sign up to the Revolut as a new customer using the unique referral link you sent them. They will need to verify their identity like all the new customers. Then they will have to add money in their Revolut account by card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. Transfers between Revolut accounts won't count. They will also have to order a physical card. Cards associated with Revolut Pro, Revolut Under 18, Revolut Business, or a joint account will not count. Then the invitee must also make a minimum number of legitimate purchases with their virtual or physical Revolut card, online or in store. Purchases with Apple Pay or Google Pay will work too. Once all of these criteria has been completed, you will be able to earn the rewards. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.